if you need to cut down the brush seal, simply slide the brush out of the aluminum holder, cut the aluminum with a hacksaw or cut-off wheel, and cut the brush seal with a bolt or lock cutter. You can also use a hacksaw on this, but you just need to crimp the end to keep the bristles in place. Prior to putting the brush seals up, to hold the brush in place, just tap the end of the aluminum where the brush goes into with a hammer, and that will just crimp the end to keep the brush securely in place.